Hello everyone, welcome back to one another interesting video for today. Whereas you must be facing the problem with your USB drive when you're formatting it, and you must be encountering the error the disk is write protected. Today I'm gonna show you, I'll walk you through that how you can resolve the problem and within just 2 or 3 minutes. So you just need to follow that. Let me just quickly demonstrate you if you're getting the same message or not. So I'll open up the Windows Explorer. One of my pen drive is attached already, which has 8 GB of space. So if I just go here, right click and click format, and if I just selected the file system, whatever it is, doesn't matter. I just click on start, okay, and I see the disk is write protected. And if you are seeing this message on your computer screen while formatting your pen drive or USB drive, this video is for you. So just watch it how you can fix it. So the reason behind why you get this message, this is most probably because your pen drive is set to read only attributes for some reason. It happens automatically, or maybe you have downloaded or copied something, or whatever the reason is. This video will help you to resolve it. So let's
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.
resolve it. So let's start here. You need to go to the start menu, type here CMD, make sure you open the command prompt as an administrator, and when it is open, type the command here Diskpart, hit enter. Now we have to use another command, which is list disk. Again, press enter. Now you can see that I have two disks available here. You might have a different style, maybe 3 or 4, disk 0, 1, 2, 3, like that, but I have only two. So disk 0 is my hard drive and disk 1 is my pen drive. You can see the space here, 7680 megabyte, which is around 8 GB, which I showed you earlier. So this is my disk. So I will select here, I will use the command select disk 1. Hit enter. Disk 1 is now the selected disk. Now I'm going to use another command, which is attribute disk. So it will show you the attributes. Now you can see here the read only is set to yes, which is supposed to be set to no. So this is the reason that you're unable to format your pen drive. So next command will fix the problem. Use the command attribute disk clear read only, and make sure the read only is just one word, no space. When you're done, just hit enter, and it says disk attributes clear successfully. That means it's done. Now you can just exit the Diskpart window and exit the command prompt as well, and you are done. Now I'm going back to the file explorer. Now again we are on the pen drive, right click, format, and yeah, that's okay. Just click start and boom, it's done. Format complete. Okay. Quick solution, easy way to format your pen drive. Follow the steps. Comment me on box if it does not work to you. Thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.